Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is titled Covered in Clay. So I have got 18 everyday items that you can cover or decorate with polymer clay. And these are all items that you likely already have in your home, just waiting for a makeover. So let's get started. Number one is books, and I am talking about journals, notebooks, and sketchbooks. These are really fun to make, and you can decorate anything with a hardcover. So there are a lot of different style and size options. This one is one that I made, and I just did this on a 4x6 sketchbook. So, if you're new to this idea or if you don't have a lot of clay to work with, you can always start small. Now, these can be personalized as well, and they make really great gifts for writers or artists. Number two is photo albums. And yes, I know this is another book, but I thought this was a unique idea because photo albums aren't something that we use all the time. You add photos to them and then they're usually stowed away somewhere for safekeeping. So why not turn them into beautiful art pieces that you can display in your home and have handy to look at or show off whenever you want to? Now, oddly enough, I wasn't able to find a whole lot of information online for these. Most of what I found was journals and sketchbooks, but all of the book covers are basically decorated the same way, so you could refer to any one of those tutorials to make a photo album. Number three is photo frames, and there are so many different options for these, from mosaic tiles to randomized shape designs, abstract textures. Wooden photo frames provide a great background for nature or forest designs, or you can cover the entire frame and make that look however you want. You can also go with something more subtle like these corner accents, and this design idea is really great for smaller or skinnier photo frames. So craft frames are generally inexpensive, but many of them do not come with a glass window. And if you're shopping regular frames, they can be a bit pricey, especially the ones with the wider borders. So if you're shopping for frames, please check out your local thrift stores. Secondhand shops usually carry a lot of frames, so you will likely find a much wider variety of styles and sizes there than a regular retailer. Number four is switch plate and outlet covers, and this is something that everyone definitely has in their home. And these are small, they're pretty easy to decorate, and they can be customized to match any style or theme. So this is a really great home decor idea for any room or space, and these really stand out in places like the bathroom and the kitchen, where those outlets and switches are used pretty regularly. Number five is boxes. Now, again, you can decorate any hard style box. So those little hard cardboard gift boxes work really well for this, and you can recycle ones that you have at home or pick them up in different shapes and sizes at the dollar store. Or you can use wooden boxes, and wooden craft boxes are inexpensive, but this project is a really great way to kind of revamp and bring new life to old wooden boxes that maybe don't look as nice as they used to. So these make really great custom, keepsake or jewelry boxes. Number six is glass bottles and jars, and this is a really great recycling idea. Liquor bottles, beer, and wine bottles are all really great choices, and they make beautiful decoration pieces, and they can also be used for flower vases, candle holders, or incense burners. Glass jars can also be recycled into decorative storage or stash containers, or you can turn them into luminary jars. I thought these little fairy house luminaries were very cute. They'd make great night lights and they'd look very whimsical in a garden. Even larger glass jars can be decorated for use as storage canisters. Number seven is tins. Now, just like boxes, tins come in all different shapes and sizes, and all of them can be decorated with clay. The Altoid style tins are a very popular choice for these, and these are a little bit more difficult to make, but there are several online tutorials out there for how to do it, and they make adorable little trinket boxes. Number 8 is mugs. Now, keepsake mugs are timeless. They will never go out of style. And these make really great gift items for any budget, any recipient, and any occasion. So they're pretty easy to make, and they were actually just trending this past holiday season. So you shouldn't have any trouble finding tutorials or further inspiration for these online. Number 9 is wine glasses, and I love this idea. So this is one that I made just recently, and this is available for purchase in my Etsy shop if you guys are interested. This one was made for me by my incredibly talented 14-year-old daughter. Now, these aren't half as common as the mugs, but there are several online tutorials for them, and you will probably see one here in the very near future because we had so much fun making these, and I definitely plan on making more. Number 10 is cell phone cases, and this is another really common item that offers a lot of different styles. So any one of these can be decorated with clay, and some of them can even go right into the oven. The least expensive option for these are the silicone style ones, and I like the way that they kind of suction to the phone. And the clay provides an extra layer of durability so they don't feel quite as flimsy. Number 11 is ink pens, and these are just a few that I made, and I do have a tutorial on my channel for these if you guys are interested in checking that out. I just used big brand pen tubes with mine, but there are several different styles of pens that you can use for these, and they can be personalized as well, and they make really unique gift ideas. You could even go a step further and pair them with a matching journal as a gift set. Number 12 is mirrors, and compact mirrors are my favorite idea for these. They come in a lot of different shapes and sizes, and they are so pretty, and most women keep one of these in their makeup bag or their purses. So this is a really unique little keepsake gift for mothers, daughters, or best friends. You can also add beautiful clay borders to larger mirrors. The flat table decor mirrors like that you get at the dollar store are really great for this. Or you can choose the larger handheld mirrors to decorate the back sides and handles. Number 13 is tool handles, and this is really great for skinny handheld tools like crochet hooks. It makes them easier to hold onto and much more comfortable to use. Now, these are some of my designs, and I don't currently have a tutorial for these on my channel, but these are really unique, and you can make handles like this for other skinny handheld tools too, such as sculpting or stamping tools for clay. Number 14 is flatware. So while we're talking about handles, why not do your silverware handles as well? I thought this was a really unique idea. So you can choose to do the whole handle or just the tops, and these are really pretty and they can be themed for different holidays or occasions. These can also be made to match and pair with clay mugs. Number 15 is planters, and this is a little bit less common, but they're a really great way to bring some character to your indoor gardens. And you can do full wraparound designs like this snake, or you can just do partial designs on the outsides of them. Fairy doors and mushroom designs are really popular ideas for this, but you could do other whimsical garden-themed designs such as dragonflies, butterflies, or little gnomes. Number 16 is keys, and this is another really small project, but I thought they were very cute and fun, and they look like they're pretty easy to make. Now, I don't know if I would put these on my regular key ring with the rest of my keys for fear that they would be broken, but for a spare key or like keys that are given to children, this is a really great idea. Number 17 is bulbs and ornaments, and the Christmas balls work really great for this, but you can decorate any kind of light bulb. So this is another really great recycling idea, and these types of ornaments are generally associated with Christmas, but they would look very pretty hanging over a window or an archway, and you can add, beads or charms or whatever you want to their hangers. So I thought these were very unique and kind of a fun twist on your traditional ornaments. Number 18, and the last item on today's list, is tin cans. So soup cans, tuna cans, even larger like coffee cans can all be upcycled into beautiful storage containers. So I thought this was a super creative recycling idea, and these would be great for organizing craft or art supplies, and these particular ones are adorable. That is it for today's list, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments below which item was your favorite. If you can think of other ideas that I did not mention in today's video, I would love to hear those as well. And I will be making several of these items here on my channel over the next few months. So please consider subscribing if you're interested in more content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week.